Hello everybody, and this is Michael Prince from becausefamily.org or familytechblog.com. If you want to save your Facebook data offline, it's a possible thing that you can do. It's something you can do. It's possible. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's very simple. All you do is you go to Settings in your drop-down menu. You click Settings, which I've done, and so there it is. There's your basic information on your Facebook page. And then you just click Download a copy of your Facebook data. Click that. It's going to take you to download your information. Keep in mind, like it says here, this is everything you've shared on Facebook, but it's also private personal information. So you don't want to just send this to whoever. But say somebody like the police are investigating something going on, or your kids have a Facebook page you didn't know about and you want to track down what they've been up to, but you don't want to have to just creep their Facebook online all the time, or whatever. You can log into your or their account. You could download the archive by clicking this, and it will download. You're going to have to enter your password and click submit. I'm not going to do that because I've downloaded mine and it's 1.5 gigs. It's a pretty good sized file, and I don't need to, but I can show you without having to download it again. But there it is. So that's how you do it. You just download it, click submit. It's going to download. It'll take some time. My internet's very fast, and it takes about 5 minutes to download because it's a big file. So yours could take a little bit, but just leave it alone, let it download, and then once it's downloaded, you'll see right here, it's going to show up as a zip file. And your zip file here is, it's basically just like a compressed and packaged folder. So once you either double click this in, just open it in Mac, or you'll right click and unzip on Windows computer, it'll unzip to create a folder here in the same place you put it. Then you can open that and you'll see here you have all your kind of coded files that don't matter to you necessarily. All your messages are here. Look at all these messages. And then within the messages, you've got your GIFs you've sent, audio, files, photos, stickers, videos from within messages. So yeah, there's a lot of that stuff. Then you've got everything else you've shared on Facebook also. So all your photos show up right here. So if you wanted to delete your Facebook, but you're afraid of losing all the photos and stuff, this is a good way to get all those. Make sure you have them on your computer somewhere. Videos, all those are there too. So you can download all your videos, and you'll be able to play those. They just download as MP4s. I'm not even sure what this is. Oh, it's me teaching something or talking about something. Oh, it's a live video I did. So anyway, that's one way that you can download all that stuff. And these things, I believe, download in HD. Oh no, that's not high def. That's a small. Yeah, that's small. So, but yeah, you can download this stuff, and because it's compressed, being uploaded to Facebook, your photos are going to end up being compressed when they come off of Facebook. So, this was a little profile picture I had a long time ago. What else can I open? Oh, there you go. There's my family. See, that's my family. Gosh, 9 years ago, probably 10 years ago. Well, no, about 9 years ago. She's going to be 9. So this would be 8 years ago. Or 7.5. So anyway, that's my family a long time ago, and all those pictures are uploaded to there. And these numbers, they're just coded numbers. They don't necessarily mean anything specific that I'm aware of as far as dates, things like that. So it's hard to know. You'd have to go through and sort each one if you're wanting to keep track of what photos are from when. But yeah, this is how you download the stuff from Facebook that you want to keep offline. And so if you're going to delete your account, or if somebody needs that data for something, that's how you do it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and keep tabs of us on what we're up to on our Facebook page at Because Family, and on Twitter at Because Family, and on Instagram at Because Family. And you can see this tutorial and more about this kind of stuff at familytechblog.com. And you can support our organization. We're a nonprofit. We do this stuff for free for folks to try to help everybody better understand the digital culture we live in. You could donate at becausefamily.org/partnership. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time when we do another tutorial. Bye-bye.